Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very delicious healthy breakfast dish called Plantain Fritata. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my video, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Come. For ingredients, we'll be needing our plantain, eggs, spring onions, chopped garlic, cheese, tomatoes, pepper and carrots, onions, bell peppers, and salt to taste, and some olive oil. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for making our plantain frittata. We start by seasoning our plantain for frying. Guys, my oil has already been preheated. I'll go ahead. I'm using coconut oil, but I can use any oil of your choice. I'll go ahead and put in my plantain for frying. Whilst frying our plantain, let's go ahead to prepare our veggies, guys. We'll go ahead and add some oil to the pan and start preparing our veggies. We are going to saute the veggies, guys. And then add our garlic. And then we go ahead and add our chopped onions. You need a lot of onions, guys. So you saute your onions for 1 minute, and then you go ahead and add your pepper, tomatoes, and the carrots. You saute it for 1 minute. Look at the colors here. It looks so beautiful. And then we add some salt. We go ahead and add some salt. Salt is always to your taste, so this amount is okay. You saute it for 1 more minute, and then you put the fire. It's okay. We'll go ahead and beat our eggs and then mix it together. Our plantain is doing okay. It's doing really perfect. Guys, as I always say it in my videos, we have a lot of coconut oil. Coconut oil is in abundance in Ghana. So we should try and use coconut oil, because coconut oil is the best oil one can use. It's very good and it's really healthy. It's good for your health, guys. And it's really cheap here. It's very expensive where we are living, but here it's very cheap. So we should try to use coconut oil in our cooking. The amount of eggs depends on you. Today I'm using it. Sometimes I use 10, 15, it depends, but it all depends on you. We'll go ahead and add some salt. Salt is always to your taste. This amount is okay. And then we'll go ahead and press it in. You really need to press it very good so that you combine the salt, because sometimes you see some of the salt hiding somewhere. It's almost done, but I really want it to be a little bit golden brown, guys. In some few more minutes we are going to remove them from the oil. Go ahead and combine all my veggies together with the eggs. Guys, if you have been watching me up to this time and you have not given me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up button. Now share video with others. You can also check on the channel. I have a lot of videos using raw plantain, because we have raw plantain abundant in Ghana, and you cannot only stick with your kelewele and your raw plantain, fried raw plantain, or akreko. You can make all this. So I also have a lot of videos, totally so many videos on how to cook your raw plantain. You can check on the channel. Our plantains are ready, so we'll go ahead and remove them from the oil. Look at how good it is, and you always have to remove them when they are not really in a golden state, because as soon as you remove them after 5 minutes, when it starts to cool down, the temperature will still brown. It make it a little bit more golden brown. So this is the perfect time for you to remove your. Otherwise, sometimes when you fry it and you over fry it, as soon as you remove it after 5 minutes, you see that it bends. Perfect. It's ready. So now we are going to start to prepare our frittata. In the same pan that we fried our vegetables, I've added a few oil, not too much oil. This amount of oil is good to the pan. So we will start with our frittata. Frittata, yes. Let's go ahead and pour everything in the pan. Then we'll go ahead and arrange the raw plantain on it. Look at this. I also call this food raw plantain egg pizza. You can name it anyhow you feel, I call this raw plantain egg pizza. And it looks like that, guys. Look at this. On a low heat, we are going to cook this on a low heat for 15 minutes. I'll cover it up and then we'll cook it for 15 minutes. But like after 5 minutes, I'll just come and open it and add my cheese, because a member of my family wants cheese on it. So I'll just grate cheese on half for a member of my family, because she really loves cheese. Let's go ahead and check on our frittata. At this, it looks so delicious and yummy. But as I said earlier, a member of my family loves cheese, so I'm going to grate a little bit of cheese on the side only for her, guys. Sprinkle it with some cheese. This amount of cheese for my little one who loves cheese is okay. This amount is okay, because the others who don't want any cheese, so this amount of cheese is okay. So we'll cover it up again and cook it 15 minutes more, and then it will be ready. See you later, guys. Guys, this is the moment of the truth. The food is ready. I'll go ahead and sprinkle it with some spring onions for more color, garnish and taste, guys. Look, it's ready. So you can just go ahead and serve yourself and enjoy. Let's go and serve, guys. Look at this. Whoa. It looks so yummy. Guys, I'm going to get myself a plate and then I'll serve myself. So, your bread roti, again and serve, guys. Look at this. Wow. at this. Yummy, 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 delicious. Wow. Guys, you are all invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy wrapped plantain frittata. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Adios. Kiss.